I'm John Reutman, Senior Vice President of Airport and Network Operations for United Airlines. Safety is our #1 priority at United, and we understand that now more than ever, customers want to know what we're doing to keep our aircraft clean. Here's what you should know. Our aircraft at United are cleaned before every flight, and each and every day we thoroughly wipe down all high-touch areas with a high-grade disinfectant and multi-purpose cleaner. This includes areas such as lavatories, galleys, tray tables, inside and out of overhead bins, window shades, armrests, and in-seat video screens. You should also know that many of our aircraft are equipped with HEPA filters and state-of-the-art air circulation systems similar to those used in hospitals. This means a high-efficiency filter removes up to 99.97% of airborne particles inside the plane. And we'll be using an electrostatic sprayer to disinfect air and surfaces within the cabin, starting with international arrivals into our U.S. hubs. And when the CDC determines that someone with a confirmed case of COVID-19 has traveled on one of our planes, that aircraft will be immediately taken out of service and sent through a rigorous decontamination process, including washing ceilings and fully scrubbing the cabin interior. Once again, your safety is our absolute top priority. And as always, thanks for flying United.